What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that little slow motion edit. I'm out of town right now and it's a little tough. We just spend time with family to make videos, so I put together a slow motion edit for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel. We want to help you become the best snowboarder possible. So with that video, if there's a trick you like to see how I do, it's in slow motion. Really analyze it, look at it. The best part about editing for me is when I do get to edit my videos, I always see it in slow motion, so I can always look and see if I did a trick right or bad, or how I want to fix it. So it's nice to slow it down for you guys and let you guys kind of see what it looks like when a trick, something basic that I just do, is like extremely slowed down. Another reason why I'm talking is all the Evolution stickers are on sale. They're 15% off. If you need a new sticker for your helmet, your board, your car, or any of your new gear you snagged for this upcoming season, go ahead and snag it. It's 15% off. I'm doing that because I need to get snowboard gear, and yeah, so we're running a sale for that. So hit the link in the description, stack some merch, and tag me on Instagram as always, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. A basin started blowing snow today, so the season's coming quick, so be ready for it, guys. And with that, as always, thanks for watching, keep evolving, and we'll see you next time. Sorry, Denver fans.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so do, banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger, I'm the new